Hi, I'm Dorian from Baker Electric Home Energy. Today I want to show you how to use your Southern California Edison bill. If you have a bill in front of you, that's great. However, we do recommend to go online and you can follow along with your SCE account. Now, you might have just been installed here. That leaves SCE with little information to gather. However, today we're going to show you a bill for educational purposes here to look at your production and also your consumption. Net energy metering, or NEM, can take a little getting used to, as it is likely to include credits, charges, and additional flat fees. Keep in mind, customers that have energized on or after July 1st, 2017 are on NEM 2.0. To log into your account, simply go to www.scE.com. If you do not have an account, follow the prompted steps on the SCE website to gain access. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see your balance due, projected energy changes, and tracked charges. Now that you're on NEM, your energy balance is due 1 year after your PTO date. This is called your settlement statement date. The balance due is the difference between the energy consumed and the energy you generate during those 12 months. This is the time solar customers often choose to pay off any energy costs associated with consumption above the amount of credit that was created by their solar system production. Now, to break down those monthly summaries, your account summary shows your current monthly non-energy charges and a due date. Your account summary also shows your year-to-date energy charges and a month in which any charges that are not offset by credits will be due on your annual settlement bill. SCE does give you the option to pay monthly, but you must apply for this option. The most informational page on your bill will be the section where you can compare your monthly energy usage. Here you can compare the amount of energy you generate and use from month to month and discover any seasonal trends. If you're enrolled in one of SCE's time of use rates, you'll find on-peak and off-peak hours and usage here broken down into consumption and generation. Keep in mind, these numbers are the net numbers, which are calculated by your time of use and time of generation. In your online account, if you'd like to see more details like hourly consumption, go to the monthly breakdown of your daily energy use. When the graph goes below the x-axis, your solar system is producing more energy than the house needs. When it goes above the line, you are consuming more than your system is producing. In order to access annual trends, simply click on the See Monthly Trend. This will take you to a page showing your monthly averages. The summer months often use more energy than the solar is producing, most likely because of air conditioner use. Early spring months and early summer months tend to be overproduction months where you are banking credits, which you'll use later when it's time to pay your settlement statement. We hope we provided some insight and some valuable information on your NEM credits and charges found on your SCE bill. On behalf of Baker Electric Home Energy, congratulations on your journey towards energy independence. If you have any questions, you can always go to our website at bakerhomeenergy.com or give us a call at 760-546-6099.